A train is arriving. Please keep clear for passengers exiting the train.
Welcome to the channel. Welcome to 2023. There's gonna be some changes on the channel, and it starts now, and it'll continue after this video. But I hope you enjoy. We're in Winter Park, Colorado, from Missouri. We were just in Missouri less than like 12 hours ago, and we're happy because there's snow everywhere and mountains. Enjoy the rest. I feel like people are looking at us from
No one's looking.
from their windows on the apartments. So a little bit of boot our travels. We left St. Louis at like 10:20 last night and arrived at the airport, Denver airport, at about, what is it, like right at midnight?
Midnight.
Yeah, midnight. Then we had to drive an hour and 45 to Winter Park from Denver. So we got back, we had to take somebody else to, and Alyssa took us back. Thanks, Alyssa. And so we finally got back at like 3 a.m. and then woke up at like 8 a.m. and I felt like I was hungover because of elevation change and lack of sleep. I took a little nap and now I feel great. Now I'm ready to go snowboarding tomorrow.
Woohoo!
And sledding and snowball fights. We left our mark. Sledding today? Yeah?
Yeah.
Sledding today on tubing.
Tubing.
Tomorrow is snowboarding
Yeah.
and skiing,
Probably.
perhaps.
And snowboarding. Or no. I mean
Ice skating.
and snowshoeing.
Yeah.
We're gonna go sledding, tubing down that hill, and it's really steep. Really steep.
And I'm gonna wear the GoPro on my helmet. You ready?
Yeah, let's hold each other's.
No, I'm going fast.
No, we're all gonna go together.
He said fuck no.
Alright.
Oh, we're gonna go again.
First time we'll go together.
Okay, so you hold mine. Okay, are you guys ready?
Yep.
Oh god.
Oh.
Wait. We have too much weight. Go in this direction.
Go, Alyssa. That is incredible.
That was scary.
This makes it easy. It's so nice.
No! Oh, you're killing me.
Ready? All right, it's the next morning after snow tube sledding, and today we are actually going snowboarding, and I'll bring the camera on my helmet to get some clips. We're also checking into the Airbnb today, which should be fun.
If there's enough snow on the ground, then you can just like ski your board down.
Starting with the bunny slopes. First time snowboarding on a real board. I am excited and a little nervous. There's Taylor up there and Alyssa in front of her. Hey everyone, it's Sean from Post Operation. So I noticed that the camera was messing up on the trip, and so this video kind of turned from a vacation documentary type thing to a problem with the GoPro video. I'm wondering if it's my GoPro that is the problem, or if it's all GoPros that don't operate well in the cold, or if I just need a case for it. It's just pretty annoying when you're trying to record something cool like that and it unknowingly stops recording and you don't get the footage that you wanted. So this is where the problem starts. Part of it was me not really being able to clip the GoPro to the clip mount on my helmet super fast, and I might have pressed the recording button after it was already recording, so it stopped it there. So unfortunately I only got a few clips of the helmet cam going down the mountain. But what I found happened more than once, several times actually, was that I would start it, and whenever I started going, because of the cold, the GoPro would die. And this is the GoPro I have. It's the GoPro Hero 9 Black. And it's just like this. I don't have any type of case for it, which could have been the problem. But to me, an action camera should be able to withstand temperatures around 20 degrees. We just arrived at the Airbnb, and looking through my videos that I was trying to take. Are you okay?
Yeah, I hit my knee on the side of the bed.
I would press it when it's already going, and then it would stop it, and then I would go down the hill. Or, since it was cold, the GoPro would die, even though it was at 77%. But we're going again tomorrow and the next day, so I'll get videos then. And I'll include the clip from today of me falling that Taylor got. So tonight we're gonna chill out, drink some wine, hang out at the hot tub, and I'll pick it back up in the morning. All right, it's the next day. So today we're going skiing. And so I'll try to get a few clips of that. Tomorrow we're gonna be snowboarding again. And I think I'm better at snowboarding. There's Taylor behind me. All right,
Woohoo.
second time. No,
Third time.
this is our third time going
Third
down?
time down.
Third time down for
Third time
ever skiing. Okay, let's go. Here we go. Starting to get the hang of left turn. Right turn's a little harder. But I got the hockey stop down, I think. Almost. Taylor's getting the hang of it. Yeah, I think I like snowboarding better. A little easier for me to control. some reason I can't turn right as good as I can turn left. There we go. Yeah, okay. Got the hang of it. Do it. It is the next day, and we're going skiing again. I said I was gonna go snowboarding, but skiing ended up being really fun towards the end, once you got the hang of it. So we're going skiing again. I don't know if I'm gonna record on the GoPro because it's been letting me down, as you have seen. But it's our last day, and we're gonna make the most of it.
Alright.
Ready?
Yep.
Change of plans. Going boarding today again. Taylor's behind me going skiing. I'm gonna try to do one full run down the hill with the GoPro. We'll see if it stays on, or if it gets too cold and decides to die, even though it's full battery. We'll see how it goes.
Wow.
So you can see I had the same problem the second day and the third day. When it would start, you could see me start it, and then a couple seconds after I take my hands off the camera and I start to stand up, it dies and I don't get any of the footage. Really annoying, so I don't have much footage of me actually going down the hill. Hopefully I can get some kind of answer if it's just a GoPro thing, if I need a case for it, or if it's just my GoPro has a problem with being in the cold. Let me know what you guys think. I tried to take quite a few videos, and they all ended up like this. I got maybe one full video going down the hill. Overall, the only thing that matters is that the trip was a blast. Are you sad to leave?
Yeah. Just a little bit. But I want to be back in like a couple weeks though. Kind of. I'm sad that you're not coming.
Take a train ride just to see you. Ride for hours just to please you. You don't know how much I need